Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Fram Extra Guard PH7317. This engine oil filter has a proven protection for up to 10,000 miles. Engineered for use with conventional or synthetic motor oil. Extra Guard has cellulose and glass blended media that provides advanced engine protection for your vehicle. Number 2. Fram Tough Guard Replacement Oil Filter TG7317. Tough Guard provides 99% filtration efficiency and ideal protection for drivers who push their vehicles to the extreme. Synthetic fiber/cellulose blend increases dirt trapping and dirt holding capacity for higher levels of engine protection and longer filter life. Synthetic blend media provides 99% dirt holding capacity. Number 3. Fram PH7317 Extra Guard 10K Mile Change Interval Oil Filter. Proven protection for up to 10,000 miles. Engineered for use with conventional or synthetic motor oil. A special blend of fibers and resin creates a proprietary filter media that captures 95% of dirt particles that can cause harmful engine wear. Number 4. Fram Ultra Synthetic Automotive Replacement Oil Filter. Engine oil filter comes with sure grip non-slip surface, making it easy to remove and implement your filter without slippery mess-ups. Perfect for the DIYer like yourself. Just screw new filter on until gasket reaches base contact and tighten. Number 5. Fram Extra Guard PH5. Proven protection for up to 10,000 miles. Engineered for use with conventional or synthetic motor oil. A special blend of fibers and resin creates a proprietary filter media that captures 95% of dirt particles that can cause harmful engine wear.